Did you know your body has 37 trillion tiny rooms working together? These rooms are called cells. Today we explore what's inside them. A cell is the smallest living unit of every organism. Just like bricks build a house, cells build every plant and animal, including you. There are two main types of cells. Prokaryotic cells, like bacteria, have no nucleus. Eukaryotic cells, like ours, have a true nucleus inside. Every animal cell has key organelles. The membrane controls what enters, cytoplasm holds everything, and the nucleus is the control center of the cell. Worked example 1. Identify 3 structures only found in plant cells. Let's draw a plant cell and spot what makes it special. The answers are cell wall made of cellulose, chloroplasts for photosynthesis, and a large central vacuole storing water. Animal cells lack all 3. Worked example 2. A cell drawn 50 mm wide is actually 0.05 mm. Find the magnification used by the electron microscope. Substitute the values. 50 divided by 0.05 equals 1000, so the magnification is times 1000. Always check your units match. Many students confuse the cell wall with the cell membrane. Remember, all cells have a membrane, but only plant cells have a rigid cellulose wall outside it. Remember Mr. Nice C for cell parts: membrane, ribosomes, nucleus, inclusions, cytoplasm, ER. Plants add wall, vacuole, and chloroplasts. You've got this. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons like this. Visit ovasaabi.com to explore more biology topics. See you in the next video.